Hey guys, welcome to, holy crap, that's loud. Oh my goodness. I got this blasting in my ear. I'll welcome you in just a second. Oh my God. Thank you. All right, here we go. Okay, so how's everybody doing? We are back. I was doing some audio work because I was having some problems earlier and I kind of goofed up and left the music blasting in my ears and I couldn't even hear myself think there. But we're fine now. Everything's good. Okay. All right. So, last time when we left off, week before last, we're playing with Bootstrap, trying to get it loaded, and I was having some problems. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I'm ready to get back into this, so I'm excited to be here. I'm excited that you guys are here, and we will have some fun. So we're going to try to get this running. Now, I was having some problems. I could not get the bloody Bootstrap put into an existing Rails 7 application. Apparently that's a big pain in the butt. So, Colin was nice enough to take a look at this and says that he got it resolved. So here's Goblin Grinder. Why is that not on the dark settings? Oh, because I'm not signed in. Why am I not signed in? Oh, come on now. It works on my machine. I know it does. As soon as I can get in here, I'll... Oh God, do I remember my password? I don't. All right, my password in my password vault. Because I can't remember things because old brain, you know how it is. Go. What's shaking, Colin? How's things going, man? Oh, close. Can't type. All right, so let's see what we got. Come on, GitHub, send me my bloody SMS. That's not my SMS. Come on, GitHub. Doing? No, you didn't send me a message via SMS. Come on. Wrapped up lunch break. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you chose to spend your after lunch work time with me, man. I'm excited to check out this this fix you did and see what we need to get that in, but GitHub won't send me my bloody SMS. Yes, I'm having problems. Resend the code, you knothead. Thank you. There you go. Good boy. All right. So let's see what we got here. We have a PR from Mr. Colin. All right. So this all boiled down to... Oh, nice. I like this PR, Colin. This is a very well-formed PR. Explain everything. Do all the things. Defer true. Yeah. Uh-huh. I think you're probably right there. That certainly fits the symptoms. Request a review from myself. And let's check out the file changes so I understand. So you think it's this just defer true here in the layout? Interesting. All right. So let us, I shall approve. I approve this message for my own code. Try to do good PRs. It's hard. I fail a lot at that too. But this is really good. I like when I'm doing code reviews on. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for participating and saving my ass with this fix, because I was not going to figure that out anytime soon. But yeah, it's really good to have context around. This is what I'm fixing. Here's where I think the problem is, and here's how I fixed it. Look at my code. I really like this. And having a receipt showing, yes, this works. Because there's no actual RSpec test or anything for this. But you did include a receipt showing, yes, this in fact works now. And that's really, really good. Okay. Good. What are we missing here? Yep, squash and merge. Thank you. All right, we're merged. Nice. It's fine. Oh. Nice. All right, so I'm hoping I don't have to reload my server to get this to work. I mean, reload the page, yes. Looky there. You're a freaking genius, Colin. I love it. All right, so we've got Bootstrap in now, which is nice. Now, the thing that I was trying to get to last time that I never got to because Bootstrap is... Where's my new... That's index. No, I want my new... People are probably yelling at me. Use Vim, use Vim. No, not using Vim. I don't like the Vim. I'm old school. All right. Now I also have... Yeah, I know. I know you like the Vim, Colin. Are you just the Vim or the Neo Vim? Or the Super Vim or the Vim Plus? Or the Vim and M? Regular old Vim. See, I have to have all my pretty colors and things and stuff and junk and things. Plugins. I love to play with plugins. So anyway, what we're trying to get to is writing a helper so I can do forms easier than this all the time. Because, you know, if you can automate something, automate something. Right? So what I'm looking to do is kind of do a form 4 type thing with Flex. See how I can work that out. So kind of tests do I have? I've forgotten what kind of tests I put in. All right, so this should still work. Joss. Oh, got the skip in there still. See how far we get, because oh yeah, because the save isn't actually working yet. Before we do helpers, we probably ought to get the test actually working, so we make sure we don't dick something up, right? So what's happening is we're missing a required thing. That anyway. Also, I'm on call for work, so I might have to be distracted. But not for that. I also got to fix my test runs because somebody set up the... let's take a look. I had to goof something up, and I need to ungoof it. It's my local dev that's not set up right, but... Look at the pull requests. We had the GitHub actions. So Marco was awesome and added the GitHub actions for us. But one of the things I had to change when I pulled it back down to my local is the username and password for Postgres were not set up right because I have my local Postgres set up without username and password. So this won't run on the won't run on my local like this, but it won't run up in GitHub without this, so I need to unscrew my local at some point. That's a different issue that I will get to. It's not that terribly important because we only have one bloody test right now anyway that doesn't even work, so. All right, so I need to say, all right, we're trying to do the save. As I recall, there was a missing missing something on the note. Oh, it has to have a campaign, right? So we are going to have to get the campaign from somewhere. Around a little bit here. I'm doing. So in my controller, when I do a new, I need to have current campaign somewhere, which means we'll have one of those stored off. So that it's going to have to be after they select a campaign, after they log in. We have to do the login stuff, but for now, let us just I don't want to put this, the application controller right. No. Just put it in for now. Ah, dang it. Change this so it defaults to the snippet first. Do do do. Since for why? Why is that? Okay. On my test, I need to set that. Test, dum-dum. I want to do that. Ba 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 ba. Then I'm gonna want to do. I guess it's something kind of like user, right? Damn it. Let's do first for now to get the stuff work. Ultimately, we'll want to scope that to you. Have a campaign selector that. I mean, can I access the controller variables in a feed? I thought I could. Can I not? Okay, so I got the campaign. That would be. Oh. What? Oh. Oh. Okay. Have to use chili. But it's coming out. That? What's happening, Rebuilt? Thanks for stopping by. Never used an assign keyword. All right, look it up then. Oh. Learning is good. So it's assigns variable. Oh, but that's to grab it. That doesn't actually set it. That's to read it though, right? That's an expectation. I mean, I should just be able to do this. Because it's a helper function, except I'm not in the context of controller in this test. Problem. So how do I access controller helpers feature tests? I mean, it's set up as a helper method. I just need to send. I just have to send it. So But how am I get to the controller? Describing a controller. Know how to access it from a feature test. Guess I should searching over here. I'm just over here searching away and you guys can't even see it. Actually, why don't I something like this? This is probably common. Do I can't just let it. No, because that's inside. That's not it. Jed, I know somebody had. Could do. Okay. Oh, but I don't want to do that today. I was gonna just kind of stub out well, not stub, but set up like a login controller and just call the login controller and have it call that, because we're eventually gonna have to do a login controller anyway. But I don't want to go through all of it right now. Okay, so let us see. So you say that. Get that right? Sign it. What I saw was a sign. That seemed more like an explanation. It no likey that. Type that right? Oh yeah, I gotta include that stuff so I can short circuit that. Different problem, different day. All good. Yeah, so you see it's the doesn't know what that method is. I think this may work in if this were a controller feature or controller spec. It's not, it's a feature spec, an integration spec. So I don't have the same access. Well, all right. Let's see. Let's do. Well, if I'm trying to just get the bloody test to pass, I'm gonna want to assign. Okay, so I'm assigning campaign to current campaign. But I don't have an assignment for campaign, so it's a helper method, so I can access it from views, but I'm not in a view context here either, so I can't access it as a helper method. I'm not in a controller context, so I can't access it directly. Can I get to the controller from here? IR1. Sec, chat. Text real quick. Oh, chat. Okay. I'll be right back. Give me 30 seconds here. All right, go grab something. All right. Sorry about that, chat. Waiting on a package to get here, and I wanted to catch it while it was here, but that wasn't the right package. So, you know, you would think this wouldn't be so difficult for me, but it is. All right, I want to see if what it considers the described class. Oh. Okay, so it's just the view. Can I access its controller from there? Doubt that. Yeah, no. Wow, this shouldn't be so hard. All right, let's see what they're doing. Current user stuff. It's been so long since I've run with front end stuff. I don't remember how to do this. No, I don't want to test it in a helper spec. I'm trying to test it. Yeah, this is the problem I got. Oh. I just have to create it in this context, huh? This doesn't seem right. That can't be right. No. Shouldn't have to do that. That's goofy. I'm not, but I'm using RSpec. So, different. Hurry, chat, we'll figure it all out. It'll all be good. Yeah. That's a controller test, though. I can't do that because I'm not doing a controller test. I'm just gonna have to go look at the devise helpers and see how they're doing it internally. Just have to do that. Okay. I don't want to do it in a helper test, though. Bloody hell. All right, well. Can I just stub it? No, it wouldn't be a stub or a mock. But I don't want to do that either. I am not brained up for this today. Wait. That's what I'm looking for. Get the Google search right, you dummy. You get it done sooner. No, that's a controller test. That's not what he was asking. Not Ed. Oh. Really? Can I do this? Yes, I actually can do that. Okay, so now I've got a different problem. Initialize, nope, nope. Note. All right, so in the notes, new RB. We're missing what? Oh, because it didn't initial. Oh. Oh, come on. So now I have to do. Oh, how the hell do you test that? All right, so I've actually, when I initialize the subject, I have to pass it this note. Or. I shouldn't have to have that, though. Right? Right. Well, no, I have to have that. Else I need to do to help my brain today. My brain is already shutting down for Christmas vacation. I am going to switch to a little more mellow music because I just need some mellow. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? That. Oh. Let's see. Why? Wife says classical. Classical. happy thing. Okay. Now I'm a little more centered. All right, so the initialization for this new view expects a note parameter. We're passing it here. That's all fine. I think the problem is because I'm doing this, it doesn't have a note parameter. So I can't do this. How am I gonna do this? Pretty sure I can't do that. Oh. Spend more time self back into our spec. All right, chat. How do I get to a controller's helper method from my feature test? No, I got that. How am I going to get past? Past this requirement. I don't. Because when I do this, it instantiates this, but it doesn't have the note on it, so it blows up, but I have to do this before I can actually save it. So I've got to figure out a different way to get to this. And I can't use this because I'm not actually in a view there. This isn't a view test. So what if instead of, all right. Even if that could work, I don't want to do that because that's just nasty coding. That's not good. So, let's see. How do I do that? And the only real way to do this, I think, is to go ahead and create a login process that will let me log in. Wait a minute. Phone. If I go to application helper and I def a login process, say work, and then I can just do that. Oh, because now I don't. Good God. What the? Okay, so instead of doing it here, it's not loading the help into. That's the right place to do it. All right, you know what? No. So, got a whole login. Care about the fractions right now. They show me a test. Yeah, they're doing there. No, that's not what I... That's not right. And this isn't right. Because I'm having to instantiate this, but if I instantiate this and so I can't just instantiate it because I can't pass this in if I do a subject in the... Yeah, I can't do that because it doesn't keyword. Get there eventually, chat. Promise. So it's not taking that as... Why bugging? I can't even initiate it. Crap! Well... Do we just need to go ahead and create the whole login process? And be done with this? Yeah, I think probably. Now, skip that. Don't want that. Don't want... Okay. Let us go. New branch. Let's go follow the sorcery. Walk through on setting itself up. For Wizard Harry. Alright, so we've got the store tree. We've already done all that part. interested in how they organized their specs. User session. Okay, I could go for that. Up here. Still going to be a feature spec. We're still working on feature level. Or new folder. The benefit of using Flex is that we create simple Ruby classes that can be independently tested. Do we actually need to involve the controller? Why not just test the class in isolation? Yes, that is actually a point. However, and I would test the controller in isolation. However, I do also usually want to run end-to-end integration tests on certain features. So yes, that's true. But I'm gonna have to get to that implementation of an integration anyway, and since that's fundamental stuff, any of my integration tests are going to end up having that problem. And I think we're best going to solve that problem by going ahead and implementing the login process so that we can hook into that and just let the login process run. But yes, that's a good point. All right. Never be afraid to cut and paste. Type system. Oh, some of it. That's weird. So you don't want too many to in a test. Sure. Yeah. Okay. So we want our user test. That should already be set up, I think. Our user model. Authenticates for sorcery. Okay, good. I mean, yes, it should validate a password. All that jazz. Routes. Yeah. Fine. I don't have a dashboard or a home. Guess I should have a dashboard. Be trying to visit her. Dashboard is fine. Fine. So I a controller for that. All right, so what are we doing here? The application controller, yep. Fire login, authenticated, right? Basically want all our pages to have to log in here. Yeah, and then authenticated runs if you try to access the URL directly and you're not logged in. Pop you back. And I would have to have a home, but I don't want a home. Let's just do it from the dashboard. I don't really care about here, dummy. So when we go here, we don't want to require a login. That's just our main public page. All right, so we need a user sessions controller. Because I'm too lazy to type. Fine. Fine. Cut and paste. And then the user registrations controller. Register. Gonna need my dashboard show. I mean, really, we want to do this as flex, but I just want to get this login stuff shoved out there. What's wrong with me? God, it's been a long time since I've written front-end code. I guess I am going to have to do a home. Hey. Let's just do it and be, because it's just going to make my life easier. So actually, I don't want my dashboard control. I don't want to skip login for that. Okay, so then I need a view. Hey. I don't have auto completion for HTML. Kind of sucks. All right, so sessions, registrations. We've got our views, and care about this part yet? Our spec work. Oh, yikes. Did I misname the thing? I mean, I have, which, oh, new, I don't have new. Oh, I don't have you. The hell was that? Oh, that's because we still have that tab stuff that we were playing with Joel. So I need my application. What? Out. I don't need this. I don't. What I do need is when we go to the dashboard, I need this. I don't really think this is a good way to do this. I'd rather see this in a controller test. This seems a little odd. I don't care about that stuff. Right? Yeah. Why are we looking at page titles and stuff? Just want the current path. The login path if I go there. Can't remember if I need to. Why are we doing? Yeah, I mean that's yeah. Why all that other crap was weird. Okay. Get you to quit griping. Why am I getting this mess? Shouldn't be getting those pop-ups. Honestly, I don't know what a system test is. Yeah, but that obviously turned that on, and I don't want that. Yeah, we're not going to do all that stuff right now. I don't care about the registration. I just want to short circuit the login stuff. So that's all fine. I don't understand scenario either. I don't like that language. There, that language makes more sense to me. Right, chat? Makes more sense. Session flow when the user is not logged in, directs them to the login page dashboard. Good. All we got to do is if I visit the dashboard directly, it should put me to the login path. It does. Okay, good. That's all I needed. Now, where is the current user stuff? Care about the registrations. Register. Another registration. Care. Now we want to sign in. All right. What is this type system in RSpec? I've never seen that before. Never have I seen that. All right, so we got to get a... Already got a user factory. Pretty sure I put a login route in there. Did I not? Yep. Okay. Got a controller. Sessions controller. The new. So we need the create action in there. Right? Right. Good. We're all happy. So this is the login is the thing that the sorcery sets up. We need the login page. I don't care about signing out right now. I don't want the logout stuff. What I want is the rest of the setup for sorcery. he not do the login form? To registration, I don't want that. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Alright, well I guess I'll just create a... Fine. Fine! Well if you're gonna make me do that, then I'm just gonna do it in Flex. So I want a user sessions new HTML. So I want that, and we want to do something like this. There's anything. Template is going to be a form, which we have. Oh, balls. That's in my other branch. I don't have. So how did we do that? Get up. I have to do all that thinking again. That's where it is. Okay, yeah, so it's like a dist. This is exactly why I want to write a helper for forms for this stuff. Because session. Password. Okay. No password. All is good, right? Test. And I will not. Let me just see. Should work, right? Nope. Oh, I didn't set up the... so that would be this. New. Right? Should work. Password. All right. Good. Initialize constant flex fee. What? 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 Right. Start the server. I don't trust that. Possible I missed a require. Do I have to require something in here? I didn't. So that worked just fine. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, that's true. Sessions path, sessions new path. Hurry. What, really? And also yet. I want let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Why am I not getting the full output there? Oh, that's weird. The grep is killing that. Okay, well, user sessions. Oh, that hothead. Form. Why am I getting these? I mean, this is copied straight out of what was working before. We got. Oh. Yep. That's better. There we go. We got it, chat. All right. That's, I mean, weird, but okay. Okay. There we go. Yes, we should use a password type field for this for masking, but right now I don't care. My primary objective. So, all right, so we got that all working. Now I want to so should be able to do this, right? Like doing string. So we fill in email. That I have to create a user. Okay, so they log in, then what? We're gonna redirect. But, well, I'm going directly to login, so you're just going to redirect to dashboard. So, oh, they are. Oh, okay, that's good. Already did that. This is going to fail, but that. Oh. Password's too short. Yeah. All right, so we need to, in our user factory. I want to pay. Did one of that doesn't. Got to do that for the password confirmation as well. I know this is all really boring as hell, chat, but all right, so I filled in, I clicked the button, so that's all good, but it didn't go there because I'm not actually registered. I've got to do the sorcery thing to register myself. There is a test helper for sorcery to do that. Already got that in there, but that's fine. So what the hell is system spec? I gotta look that up. That is. So they've got this sign-in thing, which is what I was trying to get to, this helper function, because then we can use that to assign the campaign stuff. What is, okay, guess I gotta look. Okay. I think it's that I want. If I'm doing that, bang that. Um. That's what I was. I don't want to authenticate to. Well, let me see if I've got my. Damn it. Damn it. I do not. I was. Okey-doke. Just I thought. This. Does he have spec in here? Controller. All right. Let's bring and load that. All right, now. All right, now. So how are they doing it? Oh, I don't want to do that mess. That's no, there's a simpler way to do this. Balls, I shut it down. Log in user, log out user. Yeah. I swear there was a way to authenticate the activate. I should be able to do that. I mean, authenticates with sorcery should allow me to do the activate. Ah. See, they're not doing the activate here. That. We'll figure it out. So I want to decide the. Yeah, that's still only going to give me the login method. That's not what I'm looking for. Is that what I'm looking for? Does the login user method now actually do the activation? But I don't want to call login user. I just want the user activated. Activate. Yeah. So I should be able to use this. Test. Registration's new. Fine. Register. A second. Wait a second. Have to specifically turn on activate. Oh, that's why. Because I don't think I have the activation module on sorcery. All right, so I don't actually have to activate. All right, so that's the case. It's having a problem here. That one's oh. What? Okay, so we're not even getting to the creek. This means yep. See what's this is in site work to sorry, what? Oh, we're way down in the middle. Let's not put the buy bug there then. Let us put it. Where do I want to put it? I want to put it in the V. So, session new. One there. All right, so we're okay here so far. Flex, okay. Self. Okay, that's the new view. I mean, obviously I'm running into a problem somewhere. Where's the error? Get down on the callback again. What's this thing going? Ask you to step into stuff. Why are you getting so deep in this? Why the hell am I in permissions? Am I graduating? What the hell? It's not the problem. We can get into there. Okay, we're into there. And okay. So it gets to there, gets to making the template. Template seems to come out all right, but I'm never getting to the create. Am I even getting here? Yeah. Okay. Not getting any errors, but I'm not getting to the create. New is firing. Where else would I be going? So it must have something with... this. That. I would expect to get an error from there. It's not failing on any of these. It's just not redirecting. But it's never getting to the create. What the crap? I've got the routes in there, right? Gotta create route. I've got the create route. Well, why am I never hitting this create? Wait, what the hell? How's that possible? I went to the login path. I hit the log. Yeah, because no, that's for the create. So the login should submit to the create, but it never gets to the create. Stupid thing am I doing wrong here? And it's not giving me any errors, so you would think come on. I mean, I can fill those in. Oh, no, because the form should do a post by default. I should only have to change that if I'm... That should be correct. I've obviously set something up. So, but it's getting late and I've had a long day at work and my brain is falling apart. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put this stuff up there. Anybody wants to take a whack at figuring out why in the hell this test isn't working? Buy bugs all out of here. Oh, there it is. I know I'm doing something just insanely stupid, but at the moment I'm too tired to figure it out. So that one's working, this one is not. And it's because it's never rerouting to the dashboard, but it's actually never even hitting the create. Which I don't understand. It should, because we're using the user sessions path, which by default the form should do a post, and that is to the user sessions create. Hit login. Hitting login. As far as I can tell. I can't try it here because I don't actually have any set up. Did redirect me to login. It's not actually going to do anything because go to. So why would it just oh, because I don't have something. Tell me that's what it was. Okay, at least it's different. Why would you redirect to redirect? So there's the dashboard. Okay, I should be getting here now though. No, I'm not. Then I don't understand. Skip the require login on the create, because on the user session create, we are logging in. I think that's why it was redirecting me back to the login. But the problem is it's still not hidden. Yeah. So I don't understand. Okay. All right, what I'm gonna do, chat. Oh, all right, I don't want the buy bug history stuff. Right. All right, chat. Well, I've got an implement login branch up in the code now. If anybody wants to take a stab at trying to figure out why I'm an idiot and can't get this to hit this, I am more than happy to find out. Otherwise, we will continue working on it next week. But I have got to go because I'm about to just pass out. Man, it's been a long day. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it was a lot of me fumbling around, but you know what? Hey, just the way it is sometimes. I'm trying to relearn all this front end stuff and learn Flex at the same time, so it's a bit goofy, I think, for me. So I know some of it is a little boring watching me, but maybe you guys are getting something out of it. I hope so. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, please do subscribe, like, comment. If you've got comments, feel free to jump in and do PRs in the code, or add new features, or whatever you want to do. If you can think of something that you'd like to play around with in there, you are more than welcome to play. Anyway, we'll be back with the Rubber Duck Dev Show next Wednesday. I will be back with this next Thursday, and I hope we see you guys then. And we will talk to you later. Until then, happy programming!